What's up, guys? Welcome to B-Lake Reviews. I am on my way to get my truck serviced. It says I have a low diesel fuel pressure, and it wasn't doing that. I went and got it serviced. It's brand new. It's only got like 20,000 miles on it, and I went and had the tires rotated and the oil changed on it, and all the filters and pumps changed. Everything was good to go, and then all of a sudden now I got fuel pressure issues. So I want to get everything fixed so that if it gets crazy, I can lock in the four wheels and go wherever I need to go in America, the woods, wherever I need to go with my family for safety, off-road and on-road. You know, I got some big four-wheel drive, so I can go anywhere. But the last thing I need is it breaking down and no mechanics around. So I know it might be over being prepared, but it's better to be over than under. So with that being said, guys, see you at the dealership. Boom! So we're at the dealership here in Benton Nissan in Columbia, Tennessee. Gonna get my truck ready in case this crazy pandemonium hits the fan, and we gotta go out to the property. We got property in the woods. We got a couple properties, so we can be in a couple locations, and actually 2 different counties. So we'll just see how it plays out, but we're getting the truck serviced so that we can load up, have four-wheel drive. We got the Denali service, full tank. Got the Titan four-wheel drive. Getting the fuel pump fixed right now, filled up with diesel, you know, ready to hit the woods in case we got to. So. All right, guys, let's go get some Chick-fil-A while we can before it all closes down. And I'm gonna run by and look at a couple things I want to look at. You guys are gonna really enjoy it, so stay tuned. After I get my food, I'm gonna take you to a really cool spot. Chick-fil-A is closed on the lobby. No bathrooms, no, but you can come in and order your food. And the drive-thru's packed, so just to follow protocol. So guys, Chick-fil-A lobby is closed on the inside. You can go get your food, but you can't sit down and use the bathroom. So we're gonna eat in the truck. It's getting crazy, man. So what's up, guys? I told you we're gonna go somewhere cool. I'm finna go somewhere cool right now. Let's go get it. Love KTM. Race ready for the track. My little girl's got a little Kawasaki 4-stroke four-wheeler. She had when she was 2 years old. It's a nice little used Suzuki 2018. That's fire, man. I can't wait till I can start riding again, man. Weather gets better. Get me a new dirt bike. I'll probably go with this was kind of like, I had an 06 636 Ninja, flat blue. Well, I'll probably go with me a KTM this time around. These are the, I don't like these though. They give me a 450. Here's a 350, 2019. Let's see what we got. Here's what I'm talking about. Here's what I'm talking about right here. This is probably what I'm gonna get. 2024 stroke 450. No, I have never had the KTM. Of all the bikes I've had, I've never had a KTM. But this is what I'm liking right here. I don't know, they're a real clean bike, man. Ready for the track, man. 450 XCF. That's what you need right here for the farm. Turbo. Here's your old crap bar. Throw the old Yeti back in there. Or the Orca. Orca, because it's a Tennessee thing. Orca's the made in Tennessee. I don't know if you guys knew that or not. We got these over here. Not a fan of the Suzuki. My dad just sold one of the Suzukis he was building. They're nice bikes though. Bubba Stewart was riding Suzuki for a while, but he's rode every bike out there pretty much. And his little younger brother too. They're from Winter Haven, Florida. Here's the 450, here's the big boy. Winter Haven, Florida, Lakeland, Florida, Carmichael, Bubba Stewart, all them guys down there. Grew up Dade City Racetrack where I used to race at. Well, I miss my bike. I miss my bike. May have to get one. Here's the old 1000 right there. I like the Gixxer 750s better than the 1000s. That's just my preference though. This is the, had a silver and black one like this. This is the ones. I'm more towards the 750 than the 1000 though. This was the one I had right before I had my 06 636 flat blue. Now these are dope. These Gixxers are dope. It's a pretty lit. Pretty lit right there, man. Now let's look at some Cowies. My first ever bike, Ninja 250. I remember riding that thing and it would wobble whenever I'd be on the interstate. 18 wheelers go by, it was so light. It's kind of scary actually. Here's the Cowies. Love the Cowie, 4-stroke, man. That power band kicks in, it ain't like nobody's business, man. Love the Cowie 450s. Let's see what over here. This, I like this one. Let's see what this is. Boom, I knew it. I knew it. Now that's what it's either this one, guys. It's either this one or the KTM. I don't know. 250. I like the 454 stroke all day long. They got a power band, man. That thing will freaking kick in and hit them tabletops and jumps like it ain't nobody's business. Plenty of razors over here. See if we can get a price on one of these. My wife may not let me get she may not let me get one. I don't know. It's up to her. So we'll have to see. Check some things out. These Brembo brakes are fire, man. Same kind that's on the Corvette. This one's a lit one too though, man. This one's lit right here. Super lit. No, that one's bad though, man. That one's bad. Let's see what we got right here. Them is kind of funky right there though. I don't know. So your boy went out today and looked at some street bikes. I don't know if I'll get one of them. I will get a dirt bike, another dirt bike for this summer. And I went to get some Chick-fil-A because I don't tell them when that's going to be ending. And I went and got my diesel worked on. So we got quite a bit accomplished. And I'm going to drop this video when I'm going to get to work to keep America clean, guys. Watch some of my other videos. I own a business, so I pressure wash. So if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe and turn the alerts on. And thanks for rocking with me, guys. Stay safe and let's get it.